in the town of Mittenwald, Germany, which is not too far away from the town of Garmisch-Partenkirchen, which is where I'm spending most of my time here. And Mittenwald is close to the Austrian border, but it's also a very beautiful town that is known for producing lots of violins that are shipped all around the world. And it's also known for its picturesque views. Take a look at the mountains around me. So Mittenwald is a really great place to visit because you get that small town German feel, you get really adorable houses and nice architecture, and it makes you feel like you really got away from all of the big cities. And just outside of the town, there are also lots of trails that you can go hiking on. There are lakes that you can swim in. There is so much nature and beauty in this general area, and you can definitely spend a couple of days exploring. This summer, I only spent a short amount of time in Mittenwald, but it was definitely one of the highlights of my trip, and that's because it just has so much to offer. For one, the town is adorable, and two, it is surrounded by mountains and rivers and lakes, and there's just so much to do if you love nature, that is, which I do. So definitely, if you're planning to go to Germany, add Mittenwald to your list. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel. Since I'm new to this whole YouTube thing, I would really appreciate the support. And if you want to know where exactly I filmed my footage, just check out the description below. I'm going to list the different places in Mittenwald where I went, as well as the surrounding area, the lakes, the mountains, and all that fun stuff. So check it out and enjoy the rest of your day.